All right, let's look at the homework 7.6, problem number 8. All right, so let's see. A manufacturer has an order of 4,000 units of fine paper. All right, X1 and X2 are the number of units produced at the two locations, and the cost function is given, and we want to minimize the cost. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we want to minimize this cost function. And this is subject to, right? So we have to produce, 4,000 units total. So we will have to make sure that x1 plus x2 is equal to 4,000, right? So I'm going to actually rewrite it. I'm going to put the 4,000 on the left-hand side. So I'm going to write this constraint as minus 4,000 equal to 0. All right. So let's find capital F. So capital F is going to be just cost function. So 0.2 x1 squared plus 25x1 plus 0.05 x2 squared plus 48 x2, right? So minus lambda times x1 plus x2 minus 4,000, right? So that's that. All right, let's find the partial with respect to x1. So that's going to be 0.4 x1 plus 25. And that's 0, that's 0. This is going to be minus lambda, right, is equal to 0. Right, then the partial with respect to x2 would be, let's see, so you have 0.1 x2 plus 48 minus lambda is equal to 0 again. All right, so partial with respect to lambda is going to be negative x1 plus x2 minus 4,000 is equal to 0. All right, I'm going to go ahead and eliminate this negative sign here. So this is going to give us x1 plus x2 is equal to 4,000. All right. So you can see we can actually do a subtraction here. So I'm gonna go through a subtraction here. So we have 0.4 x1 minus. Oh, actually, sorry. I probably I don't want to do it like that. How about this? Right. So I'm gonna combine these two. Right. So since both of them is equal to lambda, if I write it this way, so it's at 0.4 x1 plus 25 is equal to lambda. From here, 0.1 x2 plus 48 is equal to lambda, right? So which means that we can set them equal to each other. So we have 0.4 x1 plus 25 is equal to 0.1 x2 plus 48, right? All right, I don't like decimal numbers. I'm going to multiply through by 10. So you get 4x1 plus 250 is equal to x2 plus 480, right? And I'm going to solve for x2, so I'm going to just subtract the 480. You get, let's see, 4x1 minus, let's see, 480, so 230, negative 230, right, is equal to x2, right? So you have x2. All right, so once you know x2 here, so this is the same as x2, I'm going to plug it into the third equation there. So what you get is going to be x1 plus 4x1 minus 230 is equal to 4,000, right? So this is going to be 5x1, and I'm going to add 230 to both sides, so you have 4,230, right? Then we can just divide through by 5. So x1 is going to be equal to, let's see, 40, so it's going to be 8, 23, so it's a 4, and 30, so it's going to be 6. So x1 is 846, and x2 is going to be, let's see, it's 4,000 minus 846, so 3,154, right? So those are the values. So let's plug it in. All right, so we found x1 to be 846 units and x2 to be 3,154 units. All right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got both of them correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.